So I've been asked by a few people to show them how to remove the door mouldings, the rear one and the front door moulding. So it's a fairly easy job, takes about 5 minutes to do. So I'll start with the front door bullets and the side indicators. Just want to use a bit of all-purpose cleaner. I just find it helps for the plastic parts to come out easier. So the side indicator just pops from the top and the bottom, and it disconnects just from the bolt. So to remove the door bullets, they slide off towards the back of the car. So if you lightly push from the front, they should just come away. So to remove this longer door moulding, you'll need to remove this little rubber bung. So once you remove this plastic bung, use a T20 to remove the screw. Be really careful not to drop the screw into the door shell. So once you have that screw out, the door mouldings should just slide off. So to remove this rear door moulding, it's attached by 3 of these little white clips, and you might need a set of needle nose pliers to remove those clips. To access these 3 clips, you need to remove the rear door card speaker cover. Again, just carefully remove that because the tabs can break. And there should be 2 T20 screws holding the speakers in. And once the speaker's out, you can disconnect the loom. So if you have a look inside, as you can see, there's the first clip, there's the second one, and towards the back is the third one. So what you need to do is pinch all 3 tabs, and then you should be able to remove the moulding from the outside. So that's how you remove the door mouldings off a Renault Clio MK3.